Welcome to another video by the Security Buddy. In this video, we will discuss what the point estimates and the population parameters are in statistics. Let's say we want to calculate the mean height of the entire population. Now, measuring the heights of the entire population is not feasible. So, we can draw a random sample and measure the mean height of the sample. We can then use the measured mean height of the sample to infer the mean height of the population. Here, we want to calculate the mean height of the population. This mean height of the population is called the population parameter. But as measuring the mean height of the population is infeasible, we measure the mean height of the sample and use the sample mean height to infer the mean height of the population. In other words, the sample mean height is the best guess or the point estimate of the population mean or the population parameter. Now, let's take the example of linear regression. Let's say we are given two random variables x and y. The independent variable x denotes the heights of people and the dependent variable y denotes the corresponding weights of those people. Let's also assume that we have drawn a sample of 10 people from the entire population and measured the heights and corresponding weights of those people. Now, we can use linear regression and find the equation y is equal to beta 0 plus beta 1x plus epsilon, where beta 0 and beta 1 are two real numbers and epsilon is the error. Now, we can calculate the values of beta 0 hat and beta 1 hat from the drawn sample, and the values of beta 0 hat and beta 1 hat will be the best case or the best estimate of the corresponding population parameters beta 0 and beta 1. In other words, it is not feasible to measure the heights and weights of the entire population. So, we draw a sample and calculate beta 0 hat and beta 1 hat. Using these calculated values of beta 0 hat and beta 1 hat, we can estimate the relationship that exists between heights and weights of the entire population. So, beta 0 hat and beta 1 hat are point estimates of the corresponding population parameters beta 0 and beta 1. So, if we are to measure the heights and weights of the entire population, we will get y is equal to beta 0 plus beta 1x plus epsilon, where beta 0 and beta 1 are two real numbers and epsilon is the error. But that is not feasible. So, we can draw a random sample from the entire population, calculate the heights and weights of the sample and find the following equation. Y hat is equal to beta 0 hat plus beta 1 hat x plus epsilon hat. Here, beta 0 hat and beta 1 hat are point estimates of the corresponding population parameters beta 0 and beta 1. And epsilon hat is the point estimate of the error epsilon. And y hat is the calculated or fitted value of y. I hope this helps. Interested viewers who want to know more, please refer to the playlist Linear Regression or Statistics for Machine Learning or visit the website of the Security Buddy. The relevant links are provided in the description. You may also want to subscribe to us and get notifications on recent videos.